How we can set up our Google Ads conversion pixel using Google Tag Manager within few simple steps. If you are looking for that, then guys, this video is for you. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, you need a Google Tag Manager account. If you still didn't set up yet, then go to the tagmanager.google.com and create a new account. Enter your account name. Select your country. Read all the terms and conditions and accept. Once your account is set up, then you need to add this code into your website header and body. So we need to go to the admin panel and go to the theme editor, and here you need to go to the header.php. Copy this code. Copy this body part code also and just update your code. That's it guys, your account is set up. Now you need to go to the Google Ads Manager and click on conversion, new conversion action. Select your goal. My goal is submit lead form. Value, you can measure your each conversion value. So for now, don't use any value. And for how many conversion do you want to count on click or interaction? 1. Create and continue. And now you need to set up your tag. Now copy this conversion ID and go to the tag manager and create new. Select Google Ads conversion tracking. Now where you wanted to trigger your conversion, custom event, page URL. Just copy the thank you page and add here. Event name thank you page. Now we need to link conversion link tag. Now again go to the tag manager and create new conversion linker. Now triggering on custom event and then click on save. Now click on next and publish your tag. Now if you wanted to verify your tag is actually working or not, you can simply go to this preview button and verify your tag is working or not. You need to enter your website URL here and click on connect. And here you can see our tag is connected successfully. So let's suppose someone submitting this form and hitting to the submit button. So once they will redirect it to this thank you page, actually our trigger is firing, and once our tag is actually firing, our conversion recorded here. You need to wait at least for 24 to 48 hours to record the pixel. So that's it for this video guys. If you wanted to add some other trigger, you can simply go your tag manager and add other trigger if you wanted to triggering other tag also, and you can set up here your call conversion and other pixel also. If you wanted, then please comment down below. I will tell you how you can set up and creating another video. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.